So space is unfortunately not a luxury that many in Singapore can afford. So how do we go about maximizing space in a 1,209 square feet home? Welcome back to another episode of Crazy Nice Homes. Today we're here in Sengkang to see a 5-room HDB flat. Let's find out. Hey Charlie, hi! Thanks for having me here.
Welcome.
Wow, such a beautiful home. So, what's the theme and inspiration behind this house?
So the concept behind this house is this is a contemporary home. The homeowners favors dark blue and dark wood tone. So we are trying to make the home not too dark by adding in gold elements and white walls all around the house. It's bright, it's airy, and it's spacious. So let me show you this shoe cabinet come a storage cabinet. This is not a very usual shoe cabinet because it hides all the unsightly things behind.
Hides the unsightly things?
Yeah, let me show you.
Oh wow, sleek.
This is all the modems and cables inside. And here's some storage areas for the homeowners to store their shoes and their barang-barang inside. And this is some lights to illuminate the display area. This is the living area. If you realize there's no feature wall right here, because homeowner wanted it to look seamless, and we're keeping all the furniture movable, so there's more flexibility for the future children. This is the relaxing corner, so homeowners can just lounge here and then practice their Wing Chun and work out here.
Let me show you my Ip Man, Charlie.
Nice try.
Hey Charlie, where are you going?
So this kitchen is designed according to shaker style. So shaker style does mean this frame around here. So we create a 3D effect of the cabinetry instead of flat cabinets. So we add on the gold elements on the knob as well, so it stands out more.
So this frame is also called a beaded frame?
Yes, it's also called a beaded frame, but the terms are usually used on the wall instead.
So for me, my favorite part of the house would definitely be the kitchen because, again, I really like the whole idea of the Decton countertop and also the backsplash and also how it actually juxtaposes against the, dark blue cabinetry.
For me, my favorite part of the house would be the living room. I get permission from my wife to have a wooden dummy installed in the house, and we actually managed to fit it into the theme of the house because it's actually dark wood in color.
And I really love this island here.
Yes, when we took over this unit, it's actually bare area, and we built this island to segregate the dining area and the kitchen area.
So this surface here, what are we looking at?
This is actually a material called Decton, and it's scratch resistance, it's water resistance, it's fire resistance, and it's stain resistance, and the best of all is actually UV proof. And UV proof does means that when the sunlight shines on it, it doesn't turn yellow so easily.
So is this the same material for the countertop and the backsplash?
Yes, it's the same material.
So this material, Decton, reminds me of quartz and compact plus. So how does Decton compare to the other two materials?
Well, in terms of price, Decton is actually higher and is about like 2 times more than the other two materials. But in my opinion, I think this is the best material in the market.
So usually people build a glass panel here to separate the kitchen and the dining area. I see here something very different.
Yes, this is a bifold window that provides you more flexibility. When you cook, you can just open it and keep the smell in. And if you don't use it, you just open it to get a more spacious area. As you can see, this bifold window has a top track. So when you open and close it, you don't see a track at the bottom here, you get a bigger island.
Oh Oh, that's true. If you have a check here, it really takes up a lot of space.
Yes.
My Monday girlfriend Sakura will love this feature wall. This reminds me of fish scale and a bit like a sushi plate.
Yes, this is a scallop tile. It's colorful, it's vibrant, and it brings life to the normal BTO toilet.
So in terms of cost, how does this compare to normal tiles?
Well, it's 10 to 15% higher than the normal tiles because of the labor itself. Because of the shape like that, it's more difficult to cut. Actually, you can buy it from Hafali. Let's move to the next toilet.
So Chani, I really love this wood area in the master bedroom toilet.
Yes, we actually overlay the wooden tiles all over the shower area to segregate the wet and dry area.
So are there any disadvantages to using wood tiles?
If you look at wood tiles, right, there are many groutings on the wooden tiles and most usually grow on the grout itself. So you need to brush it quite often. So you look at here, we also designed a shower screen right here, and the black shower screen is to add on the aesthetic, and the black grout is actually to prevent the mold from growing. So over here, we have this sink here that owner bought from Taobao.
Oh, the owner bought this from Taobao?
Yeah, correct. The sink and the cabinets together. And our job is to match this laminate with the homeowner's cabinet right here.
Oh wow, that's a seamless job. So this was matched with what they bought.
Yeah, correct.
So for the items that I got online, actually my ID has very graciously, offered to install them for us in the house. So for that, I'm very grateful to my ID for, being able to render this service to us so that we can have, such a nice and comfortable place to call home.
So Charlie, how much does this beautiful home cost?
$60,000.
So I really love the open concept nature of this house and the careful styling and appropriate finishings that has made this home a crazy nice home. So if you like this video, please remember to click like. Please also subscribe to this channel if you want to see more crazy nice homes. Now if you have a comment, please comment away. And do remember, if you have a crazy nice homes that you'd like us to visit, contact us at the description below. So with that, Charlie, thank you very much for showing us this crazy nice home. We'll see you next time.